And today we're taking a look at how to replace or install your CO2 cartridge on your Sodastream device. And this is so simple, anyone could do. And this technique works for any Sodastream device. Everything used on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So you woke up today and tried to make yourself an ice cold beverage, but you notice it's not sparkling, and when you taste it, it's flat. That means you need to replace your Sodastream cartridge. And the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to flip the device around. And we're going to go ahead and remove the cover. And now that we have access to the old cartridge, we are going to start twisting to the left. And the general rule of thumb is lefty loosey, righty tighty. If your device does not have a cover, then by looking under the device, you should be able to see the cartridge. And once you located it, you can start twisting it to remove it. Now that we have successfully removed the old cartridge, you can go ahead and take it to your favorite box store and replace it for a new one. Remember to take your old cartridge. First, we're going to make sure that the new one came with the blue seal. We're going to go ahead and remove that, then remove the white plastic cover. Now we're going to use the same method to place the new one back in. Place the canister inside the machine and twist to the right. Once it's hand tight, it'd be enough. Remember, you don't want to over tighten because plastic and metal, usually metal wins and plastic breaks. Now you can go ahead and place the cover back. Turn your machine around and you're ready to sparkle your life away. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.